What will happen in 10 minutes? What might happen in 10 minutes if there has been an earthquake situation? Take lunch at home also. If books are burned, you can get them outside again. So first supposed to come not the oxidation in your food. If food, okay? To come out with petrol. Petrol will go off with water. And if there is electrical fire, what will you do? Put water? You will become Singalala. Okay? Your hair will go center shot. Does everybody know how to crawl?
Sir. One student will.
Yes, the fire extinguisher or DCP, dry chemical powder. In this case, we have the best chemical powder, okay? There are different types of fire extinguisher. This is DCP. And when there is DCP, it will put out fire. Now sir will extinguish the fire. You see what sir is doing? Powder, everybody see that powder? So because of that, powder forms a layer. It does not allow oxygen to reach the fuel. And again fire will be off. Now see, he will put it off. He is putting it off with sand. See, he is trying sand. With that also he is trying to cover the fuel. If you put sand like that, if it is a small fire, then it will take lunch at home also. If books are burned, you can get them outside again. Yes, sir, Jaikan, get to Jaikan. Now Jaikan is going to use the fire extinguisher and he will put it off. Jaikan, do it. All you are supposed to do is just press it.
चल.
Okay? So he aimed. Now what is earthquake? If you are clueless, what is earthquake? That means you are not